Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Karina Junaidi. I am a lecturer from Institut Teknologi PLN, Jakarta. In this occasion, and due to the outbreak of COVID-19, I would like to deliver my online presentation on the feed of Conference on Internet of Things and Embedded Intelligence CTI 2020. So, let's get started.
Gray level co-occurrence matrix feature extraction and histogram in breast cancer classification with ultrasonographic imagery by Karina Junaidi, Herman Bedi Aktriadi, Dwina Kuswardani, and Yudi S. Purwanto. Research background. Breast cancer or carcinoma mammae is one of the most malignant types of cancer for women worldwide. Breast cancer detection is done by several screening procedures such as mammography, magnetic resonance imaging, biopsy, and ultrasonography. Ultrasonography is one of the imaging modalities that can detect and classify breast mass abnormalities. USG is considered cheaper, portable, and easier to find in health facilities than MRI. But ultrasonographic images are very susceptible to noise speckle that appears at the time of acquisition or degradation of unclear edge characters. However, this matter depends on the operator at the time of examination, such as the examination techniques and module characteristic applied. Some of different interpretation and diagnosis result on the image can happen because of the experience and expertise of the USG operator. Purpose of the research. Classification of breast cancer ultrasound image that aims to improve the accuracy of the identification of the type and level of cancer malignancies based on the features of its texture. The feature extraction process uses a histogram which then the results are calculated using the Gray level co-occurrence matrix or GLCM. The results of the two extraction features are then classified using k-nearest neighbors to obtain accurate figures from those images. Research method. The data used in the study were ultrasound images from the laboratory, i.e., 25 malignant cancer samples and 25 benign cancer samples. After entering the segmented image data, the data will be extracted with a histogram and GLCM. Histogram is representing a graph of the probability distribution of gray values in a digital image. Visualization of the histogram image can help to analyze the frequency of gray levels contained in the image. In the GLCM process, the test data that has been entered will be calculated with GLCM parameters. Then, the results will be classified with the reference data using the KNN classification method to determine the type of breast cancer. This is steps taken in the histogram process. There are 4 features that are used in histogram and taken as reference for classification, namely mean, skewness, standard deviation, and entropy. After input image, the first process is to change the color image into a grayscale image. Then, calculate mean, standard deviation, skewness, and entropy feature. The result of the histogram is a histogram feature which will then be classified at the later stage. In the GLCM process, the test data that has been entered will be calculated with GLCM parameters. The following steps are taken in this process is input image data of segmentation, then process to change the color image into a grayscale image. The next step is convert the gray value of the original image. Then, the pixel value of the scale is made into a matrix and calculate the GLCM elements, that is the appearance of the gray value pairs of reference pixel and neighboring pixel at the distance and direction. Calculation result is a new matrix. Then, calculate the feature or parameters of the GLCM in this study. The GLCM parameters used are contrast, energy, and homogeneity. In this process, training image and testing image are included. The parameters needed are the features of histogram calculation and the features of GLCM calculation. They are then be sought for the Euclidean distance value in the image to be tested with all the training images that already exist. After getting the Euclidean distance value from the test image with all available training image, the Euclidean distance is sorted from the smallest value. After that, 3 data were taken with the smallest Euclidean distance, which they will be classified. If there are more than 3 data from the benign data, then the tested image can be classified into the benign group. Meanwhile, if there are more than 3 malignant data, then the tested image can be classified into a malignant group. In the previous stage, where applied GLCM and histogram to software built using Python in identifying breast cancer. The result of the histogram parameter calculation of the breast cancer image data and the result of the identification of the type of the cancer based on the KNN classification available in the software. There are 2 buttons on this display, the upload button to upload an ultrasound image and the process button to display the calculation result by the KNN method as shown in the following picture. This software is generally made to apply a histogram that can be used to analyze color features in cancer image. The GLCM method to be able to analyze texture in breast cancer image data and the k-nearest neighbor to classify test data with reference data so that it can be recognized the type of the cancer. The features used in the histogram are the mean, standard deviation, skewness, and entropy. While the GLCM parameters used to analyze the texture of breast cancer are energy, contrast, and homogeneity. Before the GLCM parameter is calculated, the first step taken is that the gray image from the range 0 to 255 is changed to range 0 to 9. so the system's load in processing data become lighter. After the co-occurrence matrix is formed, the GLCM parameters calculation is done. Each parameter of reference data that is calculated will be stored in a semi-database. The KNN method is used to classify each GLCM feature and histogram data that has been tested in previous stage so that the type of breast cancer from the classification result can be identified. This study used 50 breast cancer image data as references data consisting of 25 benign type cancer image data and 25 malignant type cancer image data. So from each type of breast cancer result, 80% accuracy of the total, 90% from benign breast cancer type, and 70% from malignant breast cancer type. The accuracy of the calculation is done using confusion matrix in the form of the table, consisting of the predicted to be correct and incorrect number of rows of test data. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you so much and have a good day.